Question 9, we've just got to sketch the e to the x graph, which of course starts low and goes up whoosh, going through the value here of 1. And we're asked to do g of x, which is e to the minus x, so that's that one reflected. And so it's going down like this, getting closer and closer to 0, like that. So there's the e to the minus x graph, and the original one was the e to the x graph. Notice there's nothing negative, and so the modulus of f of x will equal just f of x, because there's nothing down here. And the same with the g of x one. The modulus of g of x will simply be the same as the g of x graph. What about if you modulused it first, though? This is quite nice. So the e to the x graph, remember we just take the positive part of the e to the x graph and then reflect it over. And so this is f of the modulus of x. That's that graph there. And if you did the g part, so the g part, just the positive part of that bit there, there's that, and reflect that over, you get that bit there. So this is g of the modulus of x. And you notice how similar the shapes of those two bits are, because there's just lots of reflections going on there in each case.